So it's currently raining out, and it's supposed to rain all night and through the day tomorrow. So we're just gonna be doing some tinkering today. So right now, what I'm going to do is, we had a company called ONEUPLIGHTING send us out some lights for the FRS. And this is their grill light kit. And it's just one really long LED strip, and then it has a little Bluetooth controller that's already wired up to it. Super simple, just positive and ground for the connections. And then on this you can scan that and it'll bring you right to the app that you need to use for it. And the app is super simple. These are RGB. They do color flow and everything else. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this attached, wire it up, turn it on, and show you guys what you can expect if you're gonna be ordering the grill lighting kit from ONEUPLIGHTING. Here they are. They do like the color flow and everything else like that. Has some double-sided tape on the back of them. We'll see how well that holds up. So I'm actually gonna be putting these on the inside of the front bumper, right along inside here, facing down. That way the light actually shines down. If I put it down here on the very back of this, it's going to be kind of pointing back and up. So I'm going to clean that up with some acetone and make sure it's super clean so this sticks well, because this is going to be exposed to the elements, rain, dirt, everything else, so want it to stick. And then I'll run the wires to the battery, and then that's pretty much it. The install is super simple. Alright, so originally I was trying to use the adhesive tape that came on it, but it was just not sticking to the inside surface of this, even after wiping it down with acetone. So what I'm actually doing is I removed it all from the back of this, and now I'm just using a few of these, and these are just, they have some double-sided tape on the back and then little loops here for zip ties to go through. So I'll stick these right here on the back side of the bumper, and then I'll just zip tie this to that. And these, you can just pick these up pretty much anywhere, any hardware store, on Amazon. They're super cheap. And there it is, simple as that. And now I still have to wire it up. I'm just using the 9-volt right now to power them up. Super simple. Take you 10 minutes to do this, even with wiring it up, especially if you're just running it straight to the battery, because you can turn the power off on this through the app, so you don't have to have a switch or anything else like that. Now having a switch would be super simple. It'd be disconnect it from power, hook it back up to power. And it's nice that as soon as it gets power, it can, if it's on, it turns right back on. I'll go ahead, run that wire, and then that's pretty much it, guys. So shout out to ONEUPLIGHTING for sending us this. And we also have some other things from them that they sent us out. So go check them out. The link will be down in the description to their website, as well as to this product specifically.